Okay, this is the data. Today we will learn the dynamic table with the advanced filter using search function, using exact function, and using countif function. So, how can we use advanced filter? Everybody knows the advanced filter. About the advanced filter, it is used for fetch the required data based on your criteria. So, well, this is the data. This is our data, which is we have retrieved from cardecco.com using Power Query, Power BI, and Power Query. Right? This is the data which we have retrieved from cardecco.com. If you don't know, you can visit my earlier YouTube channel. You can visit over again, then you come to here. Now I will start advanced filter. So today we will complete this topic, advanced filter. So we will have a data of this. It's a table format, and you just fetch and paste value over here. Right. So today the advanced filter we will use. This is the advanced filter. Everybody knows that what is the advanced filter, and now like this one you are used to use it like this one, right? So we have a scroll down, then you can filter it out. Go to advanced filter, just keep the mouse in the table. Okay, just click on the, if you want to filter, then you can go for filter. If you want to filter and along with make a copy to some other place, you can select this option. So we will learn first of all this. So this is my table. We will select entire table. Then criteria is this one. It is very important that you have to mention. It is very important that you have to mention column heading over here. Okay, it is mandatory to filter it out. So in criteria, you have to select Skoda and both and copy it. Then it will select the Skoda based on this company name. Right. Now again, just filter it out. If you make a copy of it, then advanced filter. You select all the table, entire table. Then you have to select the criteria range. Then where you want to copy, just make it copy here and paste it value here. Right. Okay. If you want to remove the duplicate along with copy and paste, that is also available here. Go to data, advanced filter, copy. You have to select entire table now. Then criteria, select it. Then here you want to paste it, but unique value. So just over here. Right. Another way to remove, see, we can remove duplicate via this method also. We can remove the duplicates in model, and just click, it will remove the duplicate value, right? But Control Z. But another way to remove the duplicates value is advanced filter also. Just go copy entire range, select entire range. So this time we will not select any criteria. Just make it copy here and select unique value and go. Now this will give me a unique items. It will remove the below 3 lines because it is already duplicated. It is already duplicate values, right? So one more time I will show you. So remove duplicate is also available with the data function. Sorry, advanced filter also. Just go to advanced, right? Not select anything, then you can that's it. It gave me a only data which is non sorry only it will give me the data only of unique values. Filter out the non-unique values, right? Data clear. So you will get this. Again, I will repeat the same thing. Advanced, you can copy and paste. Select entire data. No criteria required this time. Copy. Select a single row or number of rows. No issue. Select on unique value and get it. Right. Again, if you want only, then you can select advanced. This time I will not make a copy. I just want to filter it out. So entire table, select entire table, leave the criteria range, nothing, this is gray out, select OK. So it will select only a unique values. It will filter out the unique values, right? Unfilter, then clear it again. So this is the advanced filter, right? What if I am not mentioning the company name over here? Let's say example. Whether it is working or not, I don't know. Just select over here. Okay. It will filter everything. No data is visible, right? Let's say whether it is making a copy and paste over here, right? Go advanced filter. No data is given. It is not giving any data, right? So that is company name is mandatory. So company name is mandatory, or the name of the column, like I am searching as Skoda, not Skoda, now star, not this star. Wildcard is also available for advanced filter. Go, criteria is model, then filter. It gave me a Maruti. It is searching in this column only, not in this column, because I have mentioned the heading is here, this, and this. It is searching only in this column this time. Okay, let's say I want to search in this column, or let it be searched in this column also. But advanced filter cannot search this Maruti into this column. This is not possible right now, right? But I will tell you how it is possible. Okay, so it is Maruti, and it is searching in this column only. So let's say example advanced, go and filter Maruti. Now this time I will say start. Nothing is come because I have mentioned wrong. Box is VO, not VA. VO. Just keep the cursor here in table, not outside. If you keep the cursor outside, then it will not give your list range. So better you have to keep the cursor into this one, table, and now let's give you box wagon, right? See, if you want another column, company, so I want a Volkswagen along with the Skoda. So it will not give me anything. can write entire word or you can make it star. This is the AND condition because both are in a same row. So it is an AND condition. Logical AND conditions, right? Now this time I'm just gonna filter. It's giving nothing because why it is not giving? Because there is no Volkswagen where the company name is Skoda. But if you want, copy and paste here. Leave it. Now this time it will give me data. Filter, filter, filter. Now we have a single row where the model is Volkswagen but the company name is Skoda because it is the AND condition, right? Let it Volkswagen same as Skoda. Now I'm keeping AND condition or condition. Let's say data advanced filter filter. Now it's gave me an Skoda and Volkswagen both. Why? It's giving me a Volkswagen here and company name is Skoda here. So both Skoda is coming by this criteria and Volkswagen is coming from this criteria. So both are coming up because it is an AND or condition. When one criteria is in row number 2, another criteria is in row number 3, there is an OR condition. It is a OR condition. If you just keep this here, now it is an AND condition. Okay, remember. Leave it. See. If you want, then you can select price is greater than 3 and lower than 6. So we have to mention column name. So here we are getting it is an AND condition. It is an AND condition. AND condition. Logical AND condition. So keeping it, filter it out, copy, select. Now this time we have did not select entire this one, and I want to filter it out here. So these are the model where the lower price is greater than 3 and upper price is less than 6. So these are the 3 models. These are the 3 models available. Or you can filter it also, no issue. Just click and OK. It will give you a filter. It will give you in a filter way. Clear filter. Now logical anything which is greater than 4 and less than OR. Now it is a OR condition. Let's go filter, select data table, criteria this time this one, and data is here. So it's give me a OR condition greater than 4. Yes, greater than 4 is available and less than 6. Less than 6 is also, and that's give me entire data also. So OR condition and condition. You can select like this one and condition where the company name is Star or Renault Star. So maybe it is possible. Just go advanced filter. Now filtering table where the criteria is this one, company name is this one. So it's giving me only a Renault. So greater than 4 lakhs. Yes, it is greater than 4 lakhs, less than 6 lakhs, less than 6 lakhs. For which? Volkswagen. Volkswagen, it is for and condition. For Renault, there is no conditions. So it gives me entire data. So it's not Volkswagen data. Volkswagen is not available in greater than or less than 6. Let's see. Volkswagen is not available in less than greater than 4 and less than 6. So it's not giving me for Volkswagen. But here is a Renault. Again, the Renault for Renault we have not mentioned lower condition or higher conditions. So it's giving me the only a Renault data. If you want, you can select like this one. Greater than less than 15 lakhs and greater than 4 lakhs, less greater than 3 lakhs and less than 6 lakhs. So now this will give me a Volkswagen and Renault both. Now I am filtering it out. Copy criteria. What is my criteria? Right. Okay. Nothing. Let's see. It is giving nothing. Why? Because it is a AND conditions for entire value or AND. Right. So you can make some macros also with this, like this one. Let's remove it, remove it, remove it. If you want a macro, you can go to developer tool where you will activate the corporate tool. Just right click anywhere. If you don't have a developer tool menu here, just right click over here, go to customize the ribbon, then go to ribbon and select this developer tool. Click OK. Developer menus will be available. Then record macro. Very simple. Then we will start advanced 1. Macro name, just click OK. Macro name cannot be a star with this one. See, the scope of this macro is this verb, not a personal macro verb. Personal macro verb can be used more than 2 or 3 all the verbs. But if you select this verb, it will available this macro available for this verb only. If you select personal macro verb, this macro coding will be available for all type of verbs. Okay. Right. So I will select right now this verb. Click OK. Then advance. Going to this way. Company name, this one. Go. Let it. This one. Criteria is here. Click OK. And let's give me a Volkswagen. Right. Let's go. Stop. Now we have an advanced filter. Macro. This is my macro code. Every time when you record the macro, it's given an application cut and copy mode false, right? So that the function can be fast in the process. We don't need this macro. This is data starting from B5. So you can write like this one also. Dot current region. What is current region? When you select any cell in the sim and press Ctrl A, it will select entire data. So this is current region, this is current region, this is current region, right? So we have selected B5 and make it control A, so current region, and the criteria is this one, that is okay. Now I have selected, just make a button. You can select any button here and select the advanced filter. Single click, right here filter, and when you make a button, just go to format, so and go to properties and don't move with the size and scales, especially because when I click on this, it will not change the size. It's normal star. Just filter it out. It's giving this data only. Just hold on. Now we got the data. Before I will start it, come Alt plus F11. Press Alt plus F11. Right? It's opening this one. So before we have filtered, we have to clear this data also. Range, go to again J5. Yeah, J5 is overflow. J5 current region dot clear. That's all. It will clear first. It will clear your data first. See, press F8. Step by step, we are going step by step. It will clear, right? Then again it will come again, right? F8. Press F8. Now, okay. Okay. Now I'm filtering Kia. Let's say let's give me Kia. Kia is 2. There is a 2 Kia, right? So it is a filter, and another one we will record again for unique filter. Record unique filter. You cannot make a space in this, but you can make an underscore. Obviously, we are not making personal verbal, this verbal only. Then okay. Select here data, advance, copy, criteria, unique value. This time I'm taking unique value, right? Stop. Oh, stop. Go unique filter. Just click here and make an edit. And this is our unique filter. Difference. What is difference? Difference is that there is a unique false and there is a unique true. That's all. Rest of the thing is similar, absolutely similar. That's all. And current reason. Cannot save it right now. This time I will. Earlier I told you this button. No? This time I am telling you this button. See, button is same, but it is an X button. So when you click on this, you can write a macro over here. And just cut. Or you can just select this one. Where this one. Okay. Name of the macro. That's okay. That's it. Let's give you a property name also. Just click and that's it. The name of button is this one. UNIQ. Unique filter. not a legal name. Okay. Unique underscore. Leave. Just let it be command button. Just change the caption. Caption name is uisng filter. Just close it. Now this time making a star. Then it's a developer time. So you have to come out of this design mode. Because when you click on this, it will automatically go to the design mode. And so design mode. Syntax error because we don't need this. No. It is also working. Maruti. Let's say remote star filter. Let's say box. You can use star also this way also. Mini filter. It is very far. Two wildcard is also applied. 2, 3, whatever want. Whatever the number you can want. Nissan N star S star N. Let's say just give me Nissan. Right. Remove it. Use this. Yes. Let's give me a Nissan. Both is working nicely. Right. This is the unique filter. You can use it along with the developer tools also. Not every time you will go to data tab and filter it out. Okay, or you can also make a make a button for filtering also. So develop module, go just filter it, just filter, go advanced data, advanced filter. This time I am not copying and paste, just filtering. Copy and okay. So it's give me a no filter, right? Stop. This time go to developer tool, Visual Basic, go to module, and here is the code of HTML. So this time it is in a filtering. Unique filter is false. Don't want to copy and paste it. Right? Active cell. So we don't want active cell. Period A1 range. Range is a B5. Current result. Offset. Ranges G1. Dot current. Let's try this. Go press F8. Yes, it's working. It's working. Let's say Maruti. But this time it will not filter because it is ranges. Yeah, it's filtering, right? Filter it. Right? Let's say we have a box icon. We'll just make a button. No issue. Just go click ActiveX control. I'm using ActiveX control this time. Double click. When you click double click, it is automatically design mode is activated. Right? Press Control R. and go to module. This is our function name. Don't use it this parenthesis. So just click here. Okay. Just write new properties. Properties change the caption button. Just fill it out. Close it. So it is not design wise. So click on this box. So by this way you can search, right? But the problem is that it is searching only in this column because I am using the heading in this. If I change the heading, same thing applicable for this one also. So let's say it's working, right? Click out, filter it out. If I'm filtering it, so give me a filter, right? Let's say we have a star. Capital letter, small letters doesn't matter. So we'll use also. So it's working, but only searching in this particular column, right? So remember, the heading we are giving, it is used for searching the, it is used for the column for searching for, right? If I am giving the column name of company, then it will search in this column. If I am giving the model, it will search in this column, right? What if I don't want to give the column name? So first point is remove column name, right? And I don't want to give the star function also. So remove asterisk also. Please pardon me for the spelling mistake. There is no problem. Then how it is possible? Then I just want to make a function over here. So first of all, I have to create a criteria over here. No issue. You can write anything here. Criteria or whatever you want. No issue. Or you can just leave it alone. No, even no matter. Just make a cell so that I can write here is hy or whatever I want. Reno and box, whatever. So I just write here is s, right? Now I am removing this column. Okay, I am not using it. This is my criteria range. So I'm writing a formula here. Search. I'm searching. I'm writing a formula search. Just click over here and press F4. Press F4. Right, to lock the entire cell. Now it is a find the text, which is we need to find hy. I want to find a hy, so I selected F2. Within text, in which text you want to find, you selecting this column or you can selecting this column also, whatever you want. I'm selecting this column, but remember, you do not, you can lock the column but you cannot lock the rows. If you lock the rows, it will not work, or you can just leave it alone. If you want, you can lock the column, but you cannot lock the rows, right? Just let's give you this one, right? Now just cut it, and again a formula is number. This one, paste it here, close parenthesis, and now it is false. Let's have an example of it now, whether it is working or not. Just click over here. I have not, remember, I have not mentioned any column here. So whether the advanced filter is automatically detect the column or not based on this formula. Let's say advanced, copy, selecting the entire table, right? I am selecting the criteria range because we do not have any column heading. J5 or whatever you want. Just click on and just give me a heading. Right? It's on. It automatically detect the column. Right? I'm selecting like Maruti. We are not using any of strict here. Just go select data. This one, copy, select, and paste. Just give me data. Whether this is also working or not, let's say. Not just filter it out. Yes, it's working. Give me this whether it is working. Yes, working. And let's say we have a box. Again, just filter. It's working. All are working properly with this search formula. Right? We are using this search formula. So I have used search formula. Search. Search function with advanced filter. It is the beneficial. First number is automatic detection of column based on function search function. Number one. Number two, benefit is no use of asterisk. Two, right? Automatically detect कर लेता है. So number one, number two. Now next is I'm about to save it. Now this time I will use search function. Now I will use exact function. This function. Now I'm just removing it. Now I'm typing exact function. See, it is not exact on this value, right? Or here. Now this time I'm using this function. Make a F4, lock the cell in which text. See, I'm just lock this one is Coda. So it is a false because whether it is giving me a filter copy or not, it's not giving me up any, not giving nothing. It's giving me nothing. Why? Because exact is working for exact function. See, A is exact to A. Say exact this comma this. It is true, but this is not true, right? So it is exact is a case sensitive also. So I have to write entire cell value like this one. Now this will work. I hope it will work. Let's say filter, yes, working. Any filter is also working. Just a filter, it's working. So remember, when you want to filter exact match with the like this, match the entire cell content, then you can use the exact function. When you want to filter the entire cell content, then you can use the exact function. And what first benefit is it will search entire cell content. Number two, automatically detect the column. Number three, no use of asterisk. Right? You can write here if you want. you cannot find remote in this column. It will not give you any data because we have linked this formula from this column, and here is we do not have a driver, only we have a remote. So you want, then you have to go and select this way. Now it will give you a driver. This is also give you driver, and filter is also working, right? So again, limitation is it is working, both are working. Limitation is only for single column. Same is here. Both are working for a single column at a time. Only for a single column at a time. But is there any way that we have searched like we write here anything and it will search entire line by line, search entire line by line for all the table? Is it way? Yes, we have one way. I will give you I am having one break. Then I will give you this master formula. Okay, just wait. So this time I will use a very master formula which will search line by line. This one, then this one, then this one, this one, this one, this one. Any. You can type any formula, it will automatically detect the column and filter it out or give you a copy and give you data based on criteria. So what is the formula? See, I'm giving like mark, right? So what will be the formula? Formula is countifs. Right? Countif formula have a criteria range and criteria. Criteria range is the range where you want to find. Criteria which is you need to find. So I'm selecting this one. Remember, remember, do not put any dollar to this range. Then select criteria. Criteria, you want to search this one. See, it is not an exact match. So concatenate, you can concatenate this as F4, then star this one, close it. So it's giving me 0. Why it is giving me 0? Because this Maruti is not available here. See, control is equals to, it is 0, right? It is greater than 0, false. Remember, filter is only working on true and false criteria. So we have to make every function based on true and false, right? Now I want to search Maruti. Let's see. Advanced filter, go filter, copy and paste, go. Criteria range is this one, and select this one, and I can give you the Maruti, right? But well, I said it will search entire columns. So I'm writing here is 998 cc engine this time. Let's have an example of it also. Just remember, keep data, go filter, copy, this select, and just give me a. It is automatically detected 998 interface. Right? What if I want to select quit? Let's see, we have a quit. Remember, the formula have an asterisk right hand side. Do not have a left hand side, so it will not give me any data. Right? Okay. Not give me any data. Then how we can get the data? Because it's searching right side, so we have to put in string here, and now it will give me data because it is searching Kiger. Now I will just make an Kiger star Kiger value. Let's give me data. Let's have a sonnet. Whether it is giving data? No, not giving me data. Let's see Kia. Let's give me data. Right. What if I want to search the numbers? Change something. Select equals to percent value. Then select this one. Criteria again less than equals to this one. So I have this time M2 is 7, M3 is 4. Let's give my data. Right. It's filtering out greater than 4. See, example, greater than 4. P greater than 4 and less than M2. Less than is 7 next. But it is an AND condition. Let's give me 4 and 8 both. This is the function. Right. Let's have an example again. Concatenate. Let's see whether search is also working with this or not. But not small, it will not work. What we search here? The criteria it will search. Let's do now concatenate star and this one p2 4 percent star project enter. Next we have an salary. Let's give me salary. Let's have a 7 city. 7 city. Let's give me the 7 setter, filter it out, and the 7 setter is being filtered out. So this is the master formula. Benefit of this function is countifs can be able to search in all columns. Number one, conditional filter or will copy. Right. Conditional unique value. So it's a master formula. Countifs, CU. Master formula. See if I want all the functions where the 4 is greater than equals to 100%. Here we have 5. All the value which is greater than 5. But the problem is that in which column it will find. Here is also, right? So that is the problem. So let's have an experiment. So okay, now we will use personal macro formulas also. I will teach you how to use it. Personal macro formula. Personal macros. What is used? What can be used? So let's say concatenate. See, just remember here is an edit mode. Then you can use the function. When it is come to the enter mode, you cannot use. You can use the function. When you click on arrow, it will go right or left. When it is on edit mode, you can edit it. So remember, press F2, right? Then F4, concatenation starts. Okay, this is a okay. See, it's working. So it's a time. So it's let's say we have a star RUT. Where you will get this RUT? It is a Maruti RUT. So it's giving me an entire Maruti. Right? If you have like star I star and star, where it is? It is in this and this and in this. Let's have a filter this. It is giving me an I or N. So it's here is an I, here is an N. It's giving me a lot of data. So just put it here and like this one. Manually you will get the N line. Just get it filter. It is only this one. Right? If you have NET, star NET, capital letter, here is a small letter. So it's working on it. Yes, it's working. Let's give me this on it. Unique filter, this filter, zero data. Alright. See, we have an express show. Star pre, right? Star, this filter is given expression. So it's working perfectly. Now, how we can use personal macro? See, we are using another personal. This time I am using personal macro sheet. go to just develop a table record macro. When you record the macro, there is an option which use relative reference. If you do not, I would suggest do not use this because it will go for the reference cell number and then -1 and all things. Just remember, just go for record personal underscore filter. You can assign a shortcut here also. Alt plus D also, there is no problem. Just select the personal macro key. Okay, click OK. Now use filter. Copy, going this one, filter. Here we go. Right. Then remove it. You will see there is a personal macro sheet is also available here. You cannot edit here. You cannot edit. Just Alt F11 and you will see a personal macro there. This is my function. Just hold on. Just remove it. This is my QD where we are working on it. This is the modules, we can use it, and this is the functions. But personal macro is assigned in this one here. So we have to assign like this one, current reason. Criteria is G1. Not sure whether you go for G1 it's control A. It's okay. Now I'm copying and paste it here. Data. Copy. Paste. This is another new table, right? I'm just closing it. I'm just leaving it. Okay. Now my sheet is no more available. Open. But I want to use the same filter from over here. So then how we can go for over this? That's it. Because I am using it as personal macro formula, I can use it. Developer insert. Just do it. Developer insert. This one personal macro is available. This is the one way. Just single click on it and personal just click on it. It's working out. It's working. So it's working on any table, any variable. Right. Another way to filter it. Just right click on any menu over here. Go. Right. And now I'm creating a new tab. So I'm using a new tab. Yes. Custom. Right. Rename it. Personal filter. Right. Okay. Custom command. Rename. I'm assigning a label, or you can use Windows plus this one, and you can use also Windows plus dot, Windows plus dot or Windows plus comma. Both are working. Windows plus dot is also working. So based on this, you can use like this one. Click, click, macro. So the name is done. Click. Now I want to assign a macro on this. Right. just go on macros like this one, go and adding this, right? Click on this. Let's have an example of here we go, select, and here we get all the data. So it's working very nice. Even you want to when you have close this workbook, you know, you can close this workbook, no issue. You can close it. It is a book six. Just remember, I'm closing it. I'm closing it. I'm closing entire Excel. What is this? It's that's it. Close it. Now again, click on start the Excel file. Okay. Now open book six. Right link. No, I don't want to continue. I just want to continue this. This. I'm using the. I'm just opening it. New sheet. Right. Closing this function. The book says closed now. This is the book 2. Whether it is working or not, or it will not work because I have pasted wrong side. Book 6. Just make a copy. Paste. Now just close the book 6 and save. Close it. No, it's coming. That is working or not? Let's see. It will not work because it is on a side. It will not find this. Let's say it is a function. It is working or not? Maybe. No, it is also not working. It is possibly how to rename or delete it. Let's see. 11. So whether it is available or not available. If it is not available, you cannot. I just forget to save it for my profile. So I have to record the method. Personal filter. To data. Filter. Go copy. Range. Copy here. We will get it. Go stop. Now it is function not available. Alt F11. Personal micro is also. Yeah, got it. It is very good practice when you write, when you ending the macro, just write down the application control plus space. You will get the auto filtering option. Cut, copy more, then make it true. Okay, so that the page is also starting. 5 current using save it. Start saving it. What is the location of person macro variable? See, it is in xlstart. It is available in xlstart. Just note down it. This is the available. Now Again, I will to assign this person notebook here, and with this person filter, show filter is there. Yeah, macro function, filter, add. Just remove all the things. Remove, remove, add. If you want to reset this tab, name, you can rename it also here. Made by person sent. If you want to assign this here also, you can go and assign here also. Now it start working. Actually, it's working. I forget to clear the function. Range G1. That reason. Save it. Close it. Now we will not G5. Now just delete. Go to personal. Got it. Let's say we have a 908. We got the 908 list. Okay, let's have another example. Yesterday, close this book to whether it is working or not. Okay. That's working. Let's see, we have box personal macro. It's working. Now I'm closing it. We're not saving. I'm not going to save it. Closing it. Personal macro book is also available here. And it is saved. Since it is available in xlstart, this should be started automatically when xlstart. Let's have example of it. Let's check personal macro will be started or not. No, this time it is started. So it will start working for any workbook that have the same criteria. Just have HMI and just filter, no, get it, yes. And filter, yes, okay. So personal workbook, macro workbook is not working. It automatically started when xlstart because the location is this one. It is a xlstart folder. Things are press Windows plus R, paste it here and start. This is the folder where any workbook when you will just paste it here. Book 6. Where is book 6? If you paste book 6 here, it will automatically start when the Excel will start. Let's see. Example. I have pasted here. Now start the Excel. It will automatically start the book 6 also. Simple. Personal workbook is also started. Book 6 also started. Go personal. Get it done. Okay, so this time I'm closing it here. So this is the key which is used for Windows key. Press Windows key and press dot. It will appear. It will open this key on this one. Windows key emojis. Inbuilt emojis is here. You can paste these emojis anywhere you want. Windows this one. So just remember it. Okay. So wait a minute. See, I have created a new tab over here. It doesn't mean that it is an add-in. It is not an add-in. It is in a new menu, right? If you add in is a different thing. This is an add-in. I created this. This is an add-in, but this is not an add-in. It is in a menu. Menu having the same functions, right? You can assign more functions over here. No issue. Whatever, how much function you can assign, what a function you can assign, no matter. Okay, okay. You can assign anytime, anything that you want. Just rename and get it done. So here we go. See, all are working nicely. 796, whether it is working or not, whether it is searching or not. 796, just go on. We are using it. Now this time I am using it. 796 is also running. We got this 796, right? So that's all from my end. See you in next videos. Till then, bye.